Hello everyone, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and today, which is September 6th, it's Friday, we just for the first time pulled the OCC chopper out. We brought it to service today. We actually drained all of the fuel. We put fresh fuel in it. We did indeed change the spark plugs. We drained all the oil. We put fresh oil in it. And we also put a brand new Odyssey Extreme red top battery just to ensure it's ready to rock and roll for the new owner if he or she decides to take it out and enjoy it. Once again, it only has 7 miles. It was on display at the Spin Bowls in New York. That's who they built it for. The bike is in absolutely near perfect condition. The only thing I'll point out in this video is, and I mentioned this in the description, is it does have a little bit of pitting here on this chrome work. But when you look at the quality of this paint, the fit and finish, it is actually super, super nice. This has been a great display piece at the MS Classic Cars showroom, and now we're offering it for the first time for sale. So I'm going to go ahead and start it here. It really just is the flick of a key. I'll come over on this side, electric start here.